They have a Rainforest Cafe adventure ride. Looks pretty cool to me. Pretty cool.
They're going to the rainforest. This is a rainforest.
The rainforest.
No,
Same thing, it is. It goes slow, but it's still exciting for them. And it's something different. You feel like you went somewhere else. Oh, where did it go? It's swinging. Oh my God, it's swinging. It's coming to get ya!
Baby food. Oh, no, I'm good.
Go to sleep. Go to the bathroom. What you doing, buddy? Save us some food. Uh-oh, I'm sorry. We didn't mean to disrupt your shower time. I'm sorry. We're going on a trip on rocket ship.
Monday. It's going to take us to space.
Yes. Little Einstein, climb aboard. Get ready to explore.
Saturn's largest moon is big enough to have its own weather. Our first stop, Titan. Titan is unique among moons in our solar system, as it is enshrouded solar system whose surface is constantly being remade by erosion. Hyperion. This potato-shaped moon tumbles erratically on its 21-day journey around Saturn. Orbits another moon, Enceladus. At 1/10 the size of Titan, it's unlike the other moons we visited. Enceladus isn't smoggy or rocky. It's icy. Its entire surface is covered with a thick layer of clean ice. For life? Or does some form of life exist on one of the 80 other moons orbiting Saturn? And perhaps someday, human explorers, we may one day find our answer.
Ice cream is so delicious. Thank you. Strawberry. Thank you. I'm gonna eat your ice cream. I'm gonna eat all your ice cream. Slow it down. Slow it down.
Regular news, sports, and a rocket room. It says for daytime, soap operas and talk shows. Then they have a whole arcade, a little theater room, a cartoon room, watch a movie with the kids while you eat. Then they have the birthday party room and all the arcades. Really cool. You can get a full-size camera. They got fancy. So, it's a section. And I like how they got the little stuff. You too, thank you.